As always, our team of reporters standing by to help walk us through what we do know about this pandemic. News 4's Rana Novini starts us off at the Javits Center with the promising news from the governor today. Rana.
And Adam, we're outside the Javits Center where, as of 4 o'clock this afternoon, they're treating 266 patients. That is far fewer than this makeshift hospital is equipped to handle, which is hopeful news. And the governor also sharing some hopeful news today about the total number of hospitalizations across New York State. But experts are warning that it's still a long road ahead. Promising news in the battle against COVID-19. For 3 days in a row, the number of hospitalizations, ICU admissions, and intubations in New York have all gone down.
Hospitalization numbers are down. Good news. We were been hovering around 18,000, then we went to 17,000, and we're now at 16,000.
But the governor cautions there are still about 2,000 COVID hospitalizations every day in New York. The state is still on pause through at least May 15th.
Nobody wants to reopen more than me. Nobody wants to get the economy going more than me. Nobody wants to get on with life more than me and everybody else. We're all in the same boat.
Cuomo again pushed for more testing in order to reopen the economy. In the meantime, mandatory face covering orders are in effect in New York. At the National Action Network in Harlem, people lined up to get prepackaged meals and face masks. Reverend Al Sharpton was there to greet people. State leaders and medical experts warning that now is not the right time to loosen preventative measures like social distancing.
Just need one person to, I quote, inspire a community of others to see them outside in good weather, to get them to go, just to take a chance, just for one day, to then cause exposure rates to increase 1 or 2 weeks later.
Dr. Calvin's son works in emergency rooms around New York City. He says many hospitals are still at capacity, and relaxing the rules could overwhelm them quickly.
But if you want to make my life a little easier and the life of my colleagues a little easier, someone who are already hospitalized, sick, intubated, on life support because of unnecessary exposure, if you want to make our lives a little better, you actually have that responsibility, and you can do something about it.
And Governor Cuomo also shared some hopeful news today about the infection rate, pointing out that that is key to slowing the spread of the virus. He said that the infection rate in New York State has gone from 1.4 to now 0.9. Reporting live outside the Javits Center on the west side, Rana Novini, News 4, New York.